Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking experience right from your countertop? Allow me to introduce you to the Ninja Sizzle Smokeless Grill and Griddle, a compact cooking system that brings high-heat grilling and griddling into your kitchen. With temperatures reaching up to a sizzling 500 AF, this kitchen marvel unlocks a world of culinary possibilities, allowing you to achieve perfect char-grilled marks on your favorite meals. One of the standout features of the Ninja Sizzle is its interchangeable grill and griddle plates. Whether you're craving char-grilled strip steaks, sizzling fajita veggies, fluffy pancakes, or tender chicken breasts, this appliance has you covered. You can effortlessly switch between the plates to unlock a wide range of delicious flavors anytime, day or night. With a maximum heat of 500 AF, the Ninja Sizzle takes grilling and searing to the next level. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked dishes and hello to better char-grilled marks, rivaling those of a professional grill. This appliance stands out, even when compared to the Powerxel Smokeless Grill Elite. No more hot spots or cold spots on your grill. The Ninja Sizzle ensures that your food is evenly cooked from edge to edge, guaranteeing consistently perfect dishes every time you cook. Worried about smoke and splatter in your kitchen? The Ninja Sizzle's perforated mesh lid eliminates smoke and reduces splatter, providing a clean and pleasant cooking experience. With its 14 inches grill and griddle plates, it's family-sized, fitting dozen burgers or pancakes, making it perfect for gatherings or family dinners. After a satisfying meal, the last thing you want is a messy cleanup. The Ninja Sizzle makes it easy with non-stick and removable grill and griddle plates. The perforated mesh lid is detachable and dishwasher safe, ensuring that cleanup is hassle-free. Customize your cooking experience with the Ninja Sizzle. Keep the hood up for a blast of concentrated high heat, perfect for searing, or drop the lid to retain heat and melt toppings, adding that extra layer of flavor to your dishes. With the Ninja Sizzle Smokeless Indoor Grill and Griddle, you'll receive a 14 non-stick grill plate, a 14 non-stick flat-top griddle plate, and a quick start guide with 10 mouth-watering recipes to ignite your culinary creativity. In conclusion, the Ninja Sizzle Smokeless Grill and Griddle is a countertop culinary companion that will elevate your cooking game to new heights. Whether you're a grill master or a novice chef, this appliance delivers exceptional results with its versatility, even heating, and smokeless design. Don't miss out on the opportunity to bring the magic of high-heat grilling and griddling into your kitchen. Click the link below to make the Ninja Sizzle a part of your culinary journey.